How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WhatsApp and make sure that you log into your account. From here, navigate to the chat where you want to delete the copied messages in. And now, if you have any messages, you can long press on particular message first, tap three dots at top right and select copy. This message has been copied to your clipboard. To delete it, you need to tap on the message bar at bottom. Tap on the four boxes like icon on your keyboard at bottom left. And at the top, you will find variety of icon. Simply select the clipboard icon. Under Recent, you will see the copied message. To delete, long press on the message and select the delete button. And with that, you have successfully deleted the copied messages in WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.